Alright, well, I had to start over. Hit the wrong button. Alright, so there's your oil pump. Alright. So I am not liking that tube. Not bent right. Yeah. You do not want to kink that tube, because that's your oil, that's your bar oiler. You want me to get a little hammer? We'll get it. Okay. Make sure this is in there and seated the way it's supposed to be first. Click. I was watching Diesel Creek the other day. It was one of his older videos. He cracks me up. He cracks some funny jokes sometimes. So these are just studs, and they are replaceable. Yeah, that little white box I got has them in it. Yeah. You almost, it's a pain in the butt, but they can be replaced. Yeah, so these, that's what he's talking about. These things right here, I'll show you. They came in this, I ordered some new guides and stuff, and they came in this kit. So these bolts right here is what he's talking about. You can replace them if you need to. All right, so oil pumps replaced, and then this, is this your drive gear you said? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you look on the back of that, that's thread. It looks like it's threaded. It's not really threaded, but it engages in that. Here's my old one. And it's still okay. It's worn. She's still okay. Yeah, she's looking a little rough. It would work if you had to. There's always the question of, well, if I put something sticky on there, is it going to collect a bunch of sawdust and wear things out even faster? Well, do what you want, but that's always a possibility.
I prefer to have the grease in there. And there is no keeping this spring clean.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Screwdriver. So that's a spring for your clutch. What do you call that thing? Brake. Your chain brake.
Anti-kickback brake.
Anti-kickback brake, yeah. So I have my clutch part, so I put some electrical tape on it.
They don't come like that normally.
It didn't come like that. But I was messing with it, so I... Yeah, I think I only got one drive gear, but these little roller bearings, I think I got like 6 of those in different packs. I don't know why they just put them in different stuff. So
They wear out.
Yeah. It's that good Harbor Freight electrical tape.
My kids like it too.
It works. It's cheap.
Turn it the right way, it'll go on better. Oh, that's tight.
That stinging spring in there is stout.
It is.
Oh, come on.
Just take it off.
So you screw your clutch on.
Yeah, I know you go in there. We'll grease you up.
Bugger.
Bugger. Take it over to the parts washer and clean it up.
All right, stand by.
Gauge your drive.
I'm trying to do a rebuild video for YouTube.
Oh.
Got that all cleaned up.
Make sure you engage your oil pump drive.
Guys, you want to make your debut? Huh? He's a good boy. He was so funny. We were down yesterday. We were down here, and he was in there, and he kept doing that, you know. I'm sorry, I got diesel in my hand. And he kept, and I said, no, and he, right? And I said, don't, he started, he's fine.
He's a gapper. Something else. He'd have been proud of me.
Flying.
Well, there's a reason they call them Oh Jesus clips. Ask Jeff Knight. All right, so make sure you get your washer. So this is what happened when my saw almost caught on fire. I lost that C-clip, and this washer came off. And then, I don't know if this got bound up on the clutch or whatever, but that clutch was smoking when I ripped the cover off the other day.
And that, this should not be turning right now. And it is not. Okay. Takes care of that mess.
This can all go in the garbage?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Old oil pump. You don't want to save it?
I do not want to save it.
Okay. Old oil tube. Garbage. Yeah, I didn't pay attention how that came out of there.
Neither did I.
Well, stand by till we figure that out.
Stuff done for the business.
I got lots of extra parts.
That's not a bad thing.
Well, I figured if I ever needed them,
You will.
we got them. Like these things, do you know what? Sorry, Connor. Do you know what those bearings are for? See, there's the seals I was talking
Yeah,
about.
it's crank bearings.
Oh, they're crank bearings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen, we're not splitting the salt. But that's what they are. That's what the seals are for too.
Well, yeah, but everything felt good anyway when we were.
Yeah.
It's good and tight.
So unless I was losing compression through the crankcase.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay.
Yeah. I need that.
First thing Jay asked me was, "You gonna get a big bore kit?" I said, "No, I don't need it."
No, you don't.
I said, "That saw's got more than enough power for anything I need to do with it."
Yes, it does.
All those big bore kits do is just wear the saw out quicker.
Well, and this thing, I don't know what the RPMs are or whatever,
I think
but
have I ever tuned this?
oh, I don't remember her.
I don't remember. I know I did Jimmy's.
But this thing cuts fast. It's a fast saw.
I did my 365. I did my 372. Listen, a lot of people don't ever. Once they buy them, you should go in after you have them broke in and retune them. And they do run so much better.
Well, she wasn't running real good when she finally went. Decompression. I think I'll go clean that up.
Well, while you're over there.
Stand by.
snowstorm.
Everybody wants extra cash.
Oh, if you know, if you get anybody that there's one of my guys that's looking for some help with this coming snowstorm.
Snow removal, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh.
So just shoot them my way.
I don't think I have that one out, but we're gonna get it out because I want this to go together correctly.
Do you need anything else, Dad?
I do not.
My Carhartt coat, what'd you do with it?
What color is it?
Dark brown? Wasn't in the back of your car? In the van?
It's still in there then.
Oh, there's two little screws in there.
I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, I need to take them out.
All right. So, Herm wants to take all this out, so when we put the new jug on and stuff, we can do it the right way. So there's two little screws right in there, and then looks like we'll have to unhook this choke linkage. Maybe not. We'll see. And that's the original Walbro carburetor.
Someday I'm gonna buy a better set.
Oh, they're pretty small.
Yeah. I have it. And the older you get, the harder it is to read what size they are.
It's like, I got my readers on because I can't see anything without them. Turn this thing off.
Too small.
What do you think the odds are they're metric?
They are metric.
Probably, yeah. Can't picture metric system. I despise the metric system.
It's them Germans.
I'm cotton picking whatever. It's stupid.
If I wasn't lazy, I'd walk out to my saw box and just get the right one.
Right. Not to mention it's 14 degrees outside right now.
It's warmer in here.
Yep.
We are going to take the choke cable off. Excuse me. Stay.
Dripping a little petrol. Speaking of petrol, I got 4 gas cans on the back of my truck. I gotta stop and fill up a bunch of gas cans tonight. I did see it came with them little tiny
Short
clips. The rings are in the right here. So here's what the piston looks like.
lot of guys will up their compression a smidge
Yeah.
by eliminating the base gasket.
So it gives you less head clearance, or
Yes.
yeah, head clearance, yeah. So that's what that looks like. Here's what the new jug looks like. So you can kind of see the fit and finish a little bit. There's your rings, your wrist pin bearing, and your little circlips. And that was Adafol or whatever name that is I got off Amazon. Now, Herm did tell me there is a certain way you got to put these rings on.
Yeah, without breaking them.
Well, Derek sent me a text last night. He rebuilt a steel, and he said the ring spun, and now the guy's having problems with this.
Listen, if those rings are installed correctly, they should never ever spin, ever.
Yeah, so what do you think that arrow's for on the top of the piston?
The direction of installation. Sure did, Jeremy.
What?
You got to be careful. So I don't know if you can see. These rings are beveled.
Yeah.
So when they come together, and as they are going to come together as they heat up, your pins are in the top of the landing.
Oh, I see. Okay. And that's what keeps them from spinning.
It keeps them from spinning, and also, if you look at these really closely, they have a bevel to them. So,
Right.
as they spring, going up the cylinder, they spring and seal. Coming down, they should seal, but they're more of a wiper going down.
So on a compression stroke, they seal.
Yes. Where is the old jug of this? And a lot of times these things will score so bad the rings won't move.
Yeah, that one
It
had
wasn't horrible.
Yeah, that one had some scoring, but it was time. It needed rebuilt. Right here.
You know Uncle Jim's going to watch this and he's going to chuckle the whole way through.
Well, you guys have rebuilt his saw, one of his saws, haven't you?
A couple times.
I kind of feel good that this is the first time I've had to rebuild this saw. That's them teeny tiny. Those little pricks are like, I don't even know, Herm, a 64th spring wire, something like that.
And they like to go flying. Knock it off! Dog wants in.
You want me to go low, man?
No, he just mad because